So Money and You for me was probably the most important and most profound experience of my life with regard to what I took away, what I got out of it. When I was 18, I did Money and You. I was long on ambition and short on functional knowledge. And the manner in which the course is taught, the way you learn there is experientially. So like riding a bike, for me I was able to retain it and access it going forward with great accessibility and great velocity. And basically took those principles of creating wealth and integrated into pretty much every way that I live my life, from how we go to work to how we partner and team and play together as a family. And the principles of leverage, the manner in which we communicate, the emphasis on being clear, being vision driven, working dynamically, having some of our best thoughts be those of others, all came out of my rich experiences at Hawaii Care and Cleaning. 30 years later, 33 years later, we employ over 1,000 people. We're doing in excess of $50 million a year now. And so I think that's a great metric for, does this stuff work? So as the town janitor in Hawaii, I would tell you that if it can work in a business as simple and or complex as the Jansen industry is, then it can work anywhere. And we have all of our kids do Money and You. We have many, many godchildren, and our dearest friends. We always encourage the kids when they graduate high school. The first thing is to learn the principles of creating wealth, because romance without finance is a nuisance. And I say that jokingly, but the truth is, we learn so many things, and yet to be financially free. This is a course that if you're truly interested in being financially free, Money and You really does give you the keys to the vault. Thank you.